evening, good day to you, anywhere you may be all over the world. This is TOSJOHN Consulting, your strategic business growth support partner. As we have you on this YouTube channel, we will always be here showing up, giving you all the strategies, all the knowledge, all the information, and practical business tips that will help your business in this year 2026. So as you can see from the title of today's live streaming session, Life Tax Clinic for Business Owners. Life Tax Clinic for Business Owners. Of course, this is based on the Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025, which has taken effect from 1st of January 2026. So if this is your first time of joining us on this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, and also share with other business owners, entrepreneurs, and professionals that need all this information. So you can feel free to reach out to us. Our contact is on our YouTube channel. Shout us up, call us, email us to support us in your business journey, to be your business support growth partner in this year 2026, to help your business to scale, to thrive, and of course to succeed in this year 2026. So this is Life Tax Clinic. Life Tax Clinic for business owners, of course for entrepreneurs, of course for professionals as well. And this is based on the current tax law, the Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025, and the implementation has already started in this year 2026, 1st of January. So let's go ahead in this tax clinic. It's a live session. So business owner, you can feel free to ask your question. You have questions, tax about your business. We are here to help you dissect and give you clarity on them. So for business owners in Nigeria, the tax rules have changed. Business owners in Nigeria, the tax rules have changed. So it is a new tax law that we are operating now. So you need to be aware. That is why we are always showing up here, to give you the clarity, to give you all the information that you need to scale and thrive in your business, so that you are not ignorant of what the law is saying as concerning your business. So please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, and also share to other business owners. So if you are still operating based on the old tax system, you will be overpaying tax. If you are still operating on the old tax system, you will be overpaying tax. You will be missing exemptions. There are exemptions, great exemptions for business owners, for businesses in this new tax regime. Or you might be exposing your business to penalties. You might be exposing your business to penalties because you are not operating your business on the new tax laws. That is why we are always here. We are your strategic business growth support partner. We want you to be well informed. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you are just joining us for the first time, we are always here to give you clarity about tax, about accounting, about audit, about CAC, about strategy for your business. And we have taken it upon ourselves to always show up here on this channel and give you all this clarity. So today, in this live session, we will break down the Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025 and what it means for your business in this year 2026, because the implementation has already started. So if you are operating the old tax system, you are not doing the right thing. So we want you to do the right thing. We want you to be well informed. That's why we are here for you. So you must stay till the end of this live streaming, because we will be showing you how to legally reduce your tax under this new law, Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025, and it has started this year 2026. So please go along with us in this live streaming. So you are welcome to TOSJOHN Consulting your strategic business growth support partner. My name is Oluwatosin. I'm a managing partner of TOSJOHN Consulting. Of course, I'm a chartered accountant, I'm a tax consultant, business consultant, management consultant, and of course, your business growth support partner as well. And in today's live streaming, we will be giving you live task clinic for business owners in Nigeria. Live task clinic is a clinic, so we'll be dissecting everything. We have a lot of video on this Nigerian Tax Reform Act. We've dissected everything. You can watch it. But we are still ensuring we are sensitizing business owners, entrepreneurs, and professionals until everyone is fully aware and understand this Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2026, and they are taking it to their advantage, using it to their advantage, of course, claiming all the reliefs, all the exemptions that are available for business owners in this year 2026. So the 2025 reform introduced a major structural changes through new legislation, including the Nigerian Tax Act and the Nigerian Revenue Service, right? It replaces the old system of tax previously administered by the Federal Inland Revenue Service. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also share it with other business owners. So this is a mind-breaking tax reform that is to the benefit of individual taxpayer and business taxpayer as well. So this reform affects company income tax. Yes, it has affected the company income tax. It affects the value added tax, the development levy as well. We also have the capital gain tax. It affects it. And then the payee, pay as you earn, it affects it. And of course, we also have what we call e-invoicing compliance. E-invoicing compliance. So if you need e-invoicing compliance for your business, reach out to us, because the Nigerian Revenue Service have mandated business to implement e-invoicing into their business, into their system, to report their value-added tax. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us in this live stream. So let's break it down in practical terms. Let's break it down. How are you doing? Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, and also share it with other business owner and entrepreneur. In section number 1, from India, thank you for joining us. How is India? The people of India, we love them, and we are sending our greetings to the people of India. Thank you for joining us. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So section number 1, small business relief. Small business relief. And this is a big win. This is a big win for small business owner. So under this new reform, if you are a small business owner, if you have a business, right, and your turnover is not more than 100 million, your turnover is not more than 100 million, and your fixed asset is not more than 250 million, you may now qualify as a small company. Thank you very much for subscribing with other business owner and entrepreneur. Like this live streaming video, and also give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. So if your turnover is 100 million and below, and your net asset, your fixed asset is not more than 250 million, you are qualified as a small company, right? What does it mean for you? It means that you are exempted from number 1, from company income tax. You are exempted. You are exempted from capital gain tax for qualifying companies. You are exempted from development levy. And this is a major relief compared to the old tax system, which is 25 million threshold. Thank you for joining us, Nugola Kante. We appreciate you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We love you. We appreciate you. That's why we're always showing up here, to give you all the information you need for your business to grow. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see the reliefs, the exemptions that are available in this new tax system as compared to the old tax system. So you need to be operating in this new tax system. Feel free to reach out to us. We will help you implement all these new changes. Then many Nigerian SMEs, right, no longer pay corporate income tax, but compliance filing is still mandatory. Even though you are exempted from company income tax, you are exempted, from capital gain tax, from development levy. It does not mean that you will not file. You will still file. Here from Nigeria, thank you very much, but we are a global consulting firm. We are not limited to a geographical location. That is why we are on this platform to, present all that we offer to the global stage. So we are a global consulting firm. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for joining us. So you can see that even though you are not paying tax, but that does not mean you will not file. You must still file. So section number 2, corporate tax and development levy. So in the corporate tax and development levy, right, for medium and large companies, corporate income tax is now streamlined. To generally around 25%. Yes, for the large companies, right, for corporate income tax, it has now been streamlined. Like, for example, we have 30% before for large companies, 100 million and above. But now, if your turnover is 100 million and above, right, you might still be paying 25%. So that means there is a 5% deduction for you. So there is a new 4% development levy applied to accessible profits. Before now, we have education tax, we have NASENI, we have police trust fund, we have NICTA. But all these have been put together as development levy, 4% development levy for unaccessible profits. Then we have large multinational companies must meet the minimum effective tax thresholds. This simplifies multiple old levies into one consolidated charge. You can see there is a clarity on this new tax system. There is a clarity, and that is why you must be operating in this new tax system to your advantage. Then section number 3, VAT. What has changed for VAT? This is what has changed for VAT. VAT rate remains at 7.5%, right? It is still 7.5%. But here is the big change for VAT. There is mandatory e-invoicing and fiscalization. You must implement e-invoicing and fiscalization. So businesses must adopt compliant digital e-invoicing system that integrates with tax authority. You must integrate this e-invoicing, which integrates with the tax authority. If your POS or accounting software is not ready, you could face compliance issues. You can face compliance issue if you don't implement this e-invoicing and fiscalization, right? Then we have what we call full input VAT recovery. Under this VAT, mandatory invoicing, and then full input VAT recovery. For manufacturers, for producers, you can recover your input VAT that you pay on your purchases to manufacture. You can recover all those input VAT full. So you can now claim input VAT on services, on fixed assets, on goods, provided you have documentation and all your documentations are correct. So you can see that this new tax system is a win-win. This is where many businesses lose money due to poor record keeping. So you need to keep record. Your record must be intact. And that's why we are here to support you, to help you. Reach out to us. Section number 4, personal income tax and payee. There are changes. So if you have employees, you must deduct payee monthly. It is very important. You must remit to the State Internal Revenue Service of the state your staff is residing. Then you must file returns properly. There's what we call annual return filing. You must file it. You must file it. Then there's lower income earners. The lower income earners will now enjoy better tax reliefs under progressive rates. This tax system is now a progressive tax system. So lower income earners will now enjoy a better tax relief under a progressive rate. And we've said it on this channel over and over that if your employee is earning 70,000 and below, which is minimum wage, you are not meant to deduct tax from their salary if they are earning 70,000 and below. So please, we want you to get this clarity very well. However, failure to remit payee will still attract penalties and interest. It will attract penalties and interest if you don't deduct and remit. Then section number 5, moving on. What business owner must do now? You as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, what you must do now. Here is the steps of what you must do now. You must confirm your company classification. What is your company classification? Is it a small company? Is it a medium company? Or is it a large company? So if your company is 100 million and above 100 million, you are a large company. Then you must review your turnover and asset threshold. Because small company are now company that their revenue is 100 million and below, and their asset, fixed asset, is 250 million. That is small company. Then you must upgrade your invoicing system. You must update. Then you must keep proper expense documentation. You must keep proper expense documentation. Then you must file even when you are exempted. You must file. Even when you are exempted, you must still file. And that's why we are here to serve as your tax consultant, as your external auditor, as your business compliance consultant. Reach out to us. Then you must seek professional tax planning. We can help you to do tax planning, tax avoidance, tax strategies to reduce your tax legally. So we are here to help you. Then you must remember this. You must remember this, that tax planning is legal, tax strategies is legal, tax avoidance is legal, but tax evasion is illegal, is criminal, and is you will be penalized. So in this live streaming, which is an interactive segment, we want you to drop your comments. What type of business do you run? Let us hear from you. What is your turnover range? Let us hear from you. Are you currently filing VAT monthly? Let us hear from you to show whether you are compliant or not. So let us help you to resolve all these tax issues on this live section. Right? So tax review under this new reform, VAT and payee compliance will support you with that. Development levy computation, e-invoicing advisory, tax clearance certificate and processing. So you can send us a DM, you can WhatsApp us, you can email us, right? To check all your tax compliances and help you position yourself for growth by being compliant. So don't wait until you receive a tax notice from the tax authority. It means you are not compliant. So the Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025 is not something to ignore. It is an opportunity for you to reduce your tax legally, improve tax compliance, structure your business properly, and grow without fear. That is what this Nigerian Tax Reform Act is all about. So if this section has added value to you, like this video, share it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with business owners and entrepreneurs, and subscribe to our YouTube channel right away for more professional tax insights. So we are always here to help you. Drop your comments for us. Let us hear from you about your business. And we are willing and ready to work with you as a strategic business growth support partner. So please give this video a thumbs up, share it with other entrepreneurs and business owners, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button, and we'll always be showing up here to give you information, practical business information that will help your business and position you for growth. So reach out to us, call us, message us, email us, and we'll be willing and ready to work with you. So until we meet again in another live session, please stay compliant and keep doing the right thing in your business and reach out to us for your business growth compliance. Bye for now.